questions can be asked from your practical modules. Like you can see here, like these questions were from scratch, like the types of the blocks we have studied. So we can ask the theoretical questions like this. So it will be conceptual based. Okay, now come to your Scratch part, and then we will go to our Microsoft Word part. Scratch. First, I'm going to give you a demo of MS Word. Then I will make another video with the Scratch part, right? So first see here what we have to do in Microsoft Word. Open the source file named Ethical Hackers. You will go there to your folder and you will open your file Ethical Hackers. After this, next is add the header and type class on left, name in center, and student code on right side. To apply a header, I go to insert, header, 3-column header, and then I will write my class on the left side. You will write your class was Y6, B3, B7 or whatever. Your name should be on the center. You have to follow the same sequence that is given in the instruction sheet. If you will not follow the same sequence, then there will be a deduction in your marks. So the sequence should exactly same as in the instructions. Student code here, 1, 2, 3 or whatever it is. Then close your header, or you can double click on your page, the header will be closed. Next instruction is add footer and insert auto page number in center. I have to insert a footer. I will go to insert. I will go to footer. At the bottom of the page, I will select the one with the center. I need a center one. I will click here. Or you can go to page number, bottom of the page. Footer means bottom of the page. You can click on bottom of the page and select the center one. So it's up to you. You can select it by going to page number, or you can go to the header or footer, whatever the part as in the instruction. Then close your footer or header. You can see that the page number is appearing automatically here. Automatically means you have to apply it automatically. Don't write page number 1, page number 2. You will not write it by yourself. You have to select it automatically from the given option in Microsoft Word. Next step is apply a subtitle style to all the text. For styles, we know that where are the styles? The styles are in the home tab. These are the styles available in the home tab. You have to select all the text. When you have to select all the text, you can use the shortcut Control and A. All data will be selected. Control and A. All data is selected. You will select all the text and then go to your home tab, and from this home tab you can see different styles available here. You have to select a style that is subtitle styles. In the old version some of the styles are missing, so it's better to work with the latest version of Microsoft Word as we are using 2016. So we have to apply our style, subtitle style. So here we have different styles available here. You have to apply as according to your instruction. I'm going to apply this subtitle style on my data. Okay, after this, now next step is select the last 3 paragraphs and convert to 3 columns. Now you people get confused here. Last 3 paragraphs. These are the first 3 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. Last 3 paragraphs we have to select. So I will select it from the bottom area. This is the first one, second and third. So I will select my first paragraph, second and third from the bottom line, from the bottom area. These are the last one. Last one means you have to select from the bottom area. Now I selected the last 3 paragraphs. I have to convert it into 3 columns. I selected the 3 paragraphs. Now I will go to layout and I will convert it into 3 columns. We have different columns option available here. You have to select on 3. After this, next instruction is add the following footnote at the end of the paragraph. You have to add the footnote. You will go to your references tab. As you know that footnote and notes are available in the references tab. Go there and select a footnote. But where we have to put this footnote? It is written here. Add the footnote at the end of the first paragraph. So you need to click at the end of the first paragraph. This is your first paragraph. Click your cursor here and then click on insert footnote. Now you will observe that this number 1 is appearing here at the end of the paragraph, and what you have to write, you can write it here at the bottom of the page. So what I have to write it here, I have to copy paste this in this data, this link, this website link. I will copy it and I will paste it here, paste it here. Now my footnote is also applied on my sheet. Next step is select the word knowledge from first paragraph and find the suitable synonym for it. So I'm going to select the word knowledge. When you will go up there, they're also telling in which paragraph this word is coming. This is knowledge is appearing here. Right click your cursor, go to synonyms and apply any of the suitable word here, like information I'm applying here. Now next step, what I have to do after this, apply a purple shading to change to word. I change the word knowledge to information. Now I'm going to apply a shading with purple color. I will select the data, go to home and then change the shading. You can apply, use this purple, you can go from here or you can also go there by clicking here and apply the light purple shading on it, the heading, the shading, like the shading, or you can select from here as well the fill shading color from the bucket option. Okay, it's up to you. You can use any one. Okay, next is apply a drop cap to your first paragraph with the dropped position, zero point 0.1 distance, and 3 lines to drop. Now see here, I have to select my first letter of the first paragraph. When we are applying the drop cap on the paragraph, you always select the first letter of the paragraph. I have to apply a drop cap to my first paragraph, so I will select the first letter of my first paragraph and then I will go to insert. I will click on drop cap and I will click on drop cap options. By going there, I have to click on dropped position, lines to drop and distance from text. I will check it from my instruction. What I have to select, I have to select the 0. It is zero point 0.1 and 3 lines. So I will change. It is already coming 3 by default here. I will not make any change here. If I have to change it to 5, 6, 7, then I will press the upper and the down arrows according to my instructions. And distance from text 0 0.1, just click the upper arrow, 0.1, the value will be increased by 0.1 and then click OK. Now you can see that your drop cap is applied with the distance of 0 0.1 from the text and it is dropped to 3 lines. Next instruction is apply light green shading to all the columns in the document, like all the 3 columns. See here, apply light green shading to all the columns in the document. So I will select all of my columns, then I will go to home again, shading. When you have to apply the shading, you will not change the text color. This is a text color. If you have to change the font of the text color, you will select this green. But when we have to apply the shading, we go to this bucket and then we select the light green color from here. Now you will see that the light green color is applied as a shading to all the 3 columns. Now next step is at the end of the first paragraph, enter the following text on each line using a right tab. First, I will press my cursor at the end of the first paragraph. This is my first paragraph. I will press enter button. Now we learned how to work with the tabs, like we work with the right tab, we work with the left tab, we work with the center tab. Now here I have to use the right tab. They are saying you have to add all of these text, all of these 3 texts onto the right side. So I have to use a right tab. When I will click here to right tab, I will select the right tab and I will click at any place at point 6 or 5, or if you have a ruler 14, 15, you can put it here at the end of the scale. This is your right side. Okay. Now, when I press the tab key, my cursor will automatically go there to the right side of the page. I have to type the following text there, broken authentication. If you will copy, your formatting will be disturbed. So it's better to write here the text that is given there instead of copy pasting. Write here broken authentication. Broken authentication. Okay. Next, enter tab button. It will go again there to your right side where your right tab key you put it. Then sensitive data exposure. Sensitive data exposure. Enter tab key again and then injection attacks. Write it here, injection attacks. Okay. Now after this, you have to apply the formatting. What formatting? You have to select the first bulleted point and apply the font style Times New Roman 14 point. This is my first bulleted point. I will select it. Font style is Times New Roman and 14. Size is 14. I will change it to 14. Okay, what the color we have to apply? We have to apply green color, bold and italic. Okay, green color. You can select a color. This is the text color. Select a green color, bold, and make it italic. Now you have to format the same painting on the other bulleted points, apply same formatting on the other bulleted points. So instead of selecting all of them, applying the same formatting on the other data, you can click on Format Painter and paint them all like this. Got it? After this, the next instruction is you have to save your work with your name in class, convert your Word file into PDF file and then upload your document. If you will submit your Word file, your drop cap options, your formatting, it will get disturbed. So it's better to convert it into PDF file and then submit me. Save your work, save as with your in the same folder exam review with your name, with your class, with your student code and then in the same folder. Convert it into PDF. When you are saving it, it is also giving you the option. It is also giving you the option save as a type, convert it into PDF. If this option is not working or if you don't have it, then you have to convert it by going to the website ilovepdf.com and then convert it into PDF. I will accept only the PDF files as you know that I don't accept the Word file. You have to convert it into PDF and then you will submit me. Hope you all are clear with all the points. I hope everyone is clear. If still any confusion, you can call me or you can contact to me in the private chat. Allah Hafiz student. Now my next video is of Microsoft is of Scratch software. Allah Hafiz. Take care.